Hey, Scott Haug here, and welcome into day number 6 of our Supercharged Manifestation series in our Manifestation Accelerator membership course. All right, if you're here live on our Facebook group, definitely throw a like and a comment to let me know that you're here. Just say hello. I always like to see who's on these Facebook Lives with us here and now. So go ahead and throw your name and maybe where you're from also in that comment box. I know a lot of you by now, but definitely introduce yourself if I know you or don't know you just yet. If you're here on YouTube, definitely throw a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel here to allow yourself to get updated content and materials on manifestation and how to manifest quicker, easier, and better than ever before with a lot more consistency and predictability. All right, here and now on day number 6 is all about a quick tip on receiving your desires. So it's a very valuable video for you to really pay attention to, and we're going to get right to it with an exact technique to go through as we get into the content for today. Now, a challenge with a lot of people in this manifestation game, and I like to call it a game because I think it really is, manifestation is not magic, it's not luck, it's not coincidence, it's not some crazy woo-woo thing that's going on. It's really all about a science, a system that allows you to understand that your thoughts are really creating a reality. It's creating a world that you're living in now. And as long as you change that internal world, your external world will change. And I believe it's really a skill, not luck, not coincidence, not anything else besides a skill. And when you look at it as that, you'll see that it's just about getting that skill better and better every single day, every week, every month, to allow yourself to actually use your powers within better and better. So a main challenge when people get into trying to manifest deliberately and intentionally for what they really want is when they get into overthinking mode. Okay, so a lot of people will block their own manifestations and desires from coming through because they're thinking, where is it, where is it, where is it? Is it going to come? Is this stuff a load of BS or is it actually going to work for me? What do I do right now? Do I really let it go? How do I let it go? Oh my God, where is it? Oh, I have to work so hard. I feel so exhausted. I can't figure out how to get this desire. Right, their mind is in chaos. It's all over the place. And what that's going to do is keep your thoughts on what you don't want rather than what you do want. So it's what we call the non-receiving mode. You're in a place where it's that self-sabotage, it's that self-limitation where we're actually propelling, we're actually forcing our own desires outside of us to really leave our life rather than allow them in and let them into our life. So what we really want to do here is start to allow ourselves a little bit more mind freedom, not overthinking so much and not complicating an already simple and easy process. One quick tip for you today that will be really magical in your life, even if you apply it right now or you apply it tomorrow or the next day, I would encourage you to apply it right now. You'll feel the difference right away. Is in thought, replace chaotic thoughts, questions on where your desires are, am I going to get it, like those types of questions, or mind that says, how is it going to come, how's it going to come? Replace that thought process with thank you. Okay, so basically throughout your day, whether you're walking around your home, around your local city, town, whatever it is, or whether you're doing some business work, marketing work, you're going out there and selling, you're going out there and finding a new real estate deal. I mean, it doesn't matter what it is, okay? What you want to do is keep your mind in a grateful place. You want to keep looking at things around you and say, thank you for this, thank you for this, thank you for this. Even if it's merely a new construction in your local city that's making a ruckus, is making a ton of noise, okay? You could say, thank you so much for creating this wonderful city that I didn't actually have to create myself. All these workers and all these companies did it for me to actually live and enjoy this city. So basically, you just want to find things to be grateful and thankful for and allow your mind just to keep saying, thank you for this, thank you for this, thank you for the water. Thank you for the cleanliness of the water and the filter system so I didn't have to actually filter the water myself. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. And what you ultimately want to do is put your desires in your mind. Say you want to manifest an extra $500, an extra $5,000, or whatever it is that you desire. Keep your mind in thank you as if you already have it. So you say, thank you, universe. Thank you for the money. Thank you for the good luck. Thank you for the success. Thank you for the goodness that's coming to me. Thank you for all the wonderful things that are always attracting to me. So you just keep your mind all day on saying thank you. You can say it verbally. You can say thank you out loud. You can absolutely write down gratitude on a gratitude pad. Some of you have known that if you've been following Bob Proctor or many other personal development teachers there. Okay, you can actually write down that gratitude. But really, we want to be gratitude. Some people know about gratitude and they'll write their gratitude. They might say it in the morning, but they don't really feel grateful. So it doesn't really work out for them. They feel like complaining. They feel like it's off, something's off, whatever that is. So the best thing that you can do is actually be gratitude. How do you be gratitude? Your thoughts are grateful. Okay, so you have very grateful, thankful thoughts. And as you do that, your mind's going to dwell less on how's it going to come, where's it going to come from, is this working out for me? And instead, it's going to change your energy, change your thought direction. And it's going to allow you to be thankful and grateful and be that attitude, be that energy. It'll make all the difference, okay? Being the energy and not just knowing about it. Because a lot of people know about gratitude, but they're still ungrateful. A lot of people know about gratitude and are grateful. They find a very happy, fulfilled, great life moving forward. So not only are your manifestations going to come a lot quicker, a lot easier while being in the grateful attitude, what it's also going to allow you to do is live a lot happier, because people who are happy are usually very grateful, very thankful for all the good, and not on the other side of being ungrateful. So I hope this helps a lot. If you apply this right here and now and you make that decision to apply it right here and now, it'll make a vast difference. And give yourself a test and experiment with this. You want to try it for 7 days, okay? So don't just try it for like a couple minutes and say, oh man, nothing changed in my life. Try for 7 days, because often we'll see our lives start to shift a little bit after 24 hours and a lot more between 48 hours and 72 hours. So about 2 to 3 days, you'll start to really see some amazing things shift. And then when you get into day 4, 5, and 6, you should see a brand new desire come into your life. Whether that's even $10 you find on the street, maybe that's a new deal you got, a new sale for $2,000. Keep yourself in that grateful attitude, and you should see something, a reward, if you will, come in for your rewarded efforts of being in that thanks and grateful attitude. All right, Scott Haug signing off here. And again, hopefully, if you find these tips helpful, go ahead and throw them right in the comment box. Like you find this helpful and you would like to also cover this topic, or maybe you have a challenge or question in our Manifestation Accelerator program that hasn't been covered yet. I'll try to cover more of those questions here on these lives so you can get some live guidance and support here and there, week after week, month after month. All right, signing off here. If you're not yet in our Manifestation Accelerator course, I would definitely suggest getting enrolled right away and join in. Okay, it's a membership course where it's a monthly thing where you go through one content module per 7 days and then extract that content into actually applying it. Because a lot of people know personal development. They've studied books for a long time, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of everything, right? But they're actually just learning, but not applying. So this gives you a system and step-by-step process that stacks above each other. So it's kind of like going up a staircase where one module balances off the next one and the next one, to allow yourself to intelligently and with a lot of effectiveness actually apply the material. So you don't even have to think. You just wake up in the morning, follow the module, follow the routine that I provide you, and boom, you're off to the races with everything that you could ever want to manifest, everything you want to bring into your life, everything you want to achieve. The directions are literally right there for you. Just follow the directions, things will come into your life. Again, it's not magic. You still have to do work. When you get into the course, know that ahead of time. You have to do the action items. You have to go through the content. But as you do, you're going to allow yourself to be in a better place, greater than ever before, allowing a lot of good into your life. All right, that link is right there in the comment box and right below in the About section. So definitely join in if you haven't already. Hey, sending you light and blessings. I hope all of you are doing very well. And the Accelerator members here, keep crushing it, because you're doing extremely well. I love the wins. I was actually just out of office last week, but I came back in and was just absolutely blown away by how many people were winning. And it's not unexpected, though. I know it's very expected with the course that we have here. It's so powerful, but just very, very grateful for all of you that post, that are winning, that are doing so well, following the directions. You're seeing the proven process in your life really start to elevate and get your life to the next level. Hey, so keep rocking if you're in the Accelerator, and if you're not yet in the Accelerator, I look forward to seeing you in Module 1A as soon as you join in today if you can. All right, signing off here, Scott Haug here, and sending light and blessings your way. We'll see you on the next video, day number 7 in a few days' time. Take care.